today is the doctor and the bum tip for cooking in the Philippines. Spinach is expensive and hard to find, but KangKong is spinach. It's actually called swamp spinach. It's exactly the same as spinach, tastes exactly the same. Just pull off the leaves and wash it really good, because where it's found is it's in its name, in the swamp. Swamp spinach. 5 pesos a bundle. All you simply need to do for swamp spinach, get a container, woot, and then pick the leaves off. Now you can pick them off about here and you're good. This one's a bit of a dodgy one, but a little bit of water and they'll come back to life, because that's how it works. That's all I got out of 5 pesos worth. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I bought 2. Unfortunately, the KangKong wasn't that good at the local Chungi today, so this was the best of the bad batch, or the best of the batch. It's got a bit of crap on it. Just pull that crap off and it's fine. That way you're not wasting any money. Just otherwise they are going to be a bit bitter if they're a bit brown. And that's it, which is 10 pieces worth of spinach, which will end up in a very small pile, but hey, spinach is full of iron, good for you, right? Alright, give these bad boys a good soak, a bit of salt, bit of water, just let them sit for a bit and then rinse them off once or twice, because you want to get rid of any bugs and bad shit. And you'll just go through it and get anything that's a little bit yellow like this, just pull that off. It's fine. Won't affect the taste, and you're going to cook this so you won't even notice that it was a little bit like that. And this water will just bring back the vibrancy a little bit of it and wash off any bugs and spit and urine and rat crap and whatever else that you can think of that was probably on them. Yeah, reality.